You don't need me to tell you that humanity is in a deep crisis. Everyone can feel it. We know a tectonic struggle is now taking place between the forces of freedom and those who love darkness, bondage, and enslavement. Yes, my friends, evil is rising. But take heart. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Recently, New World Order operative Hillary Clinton admitted they're losing the info war.
We are in an information war, and we are losing that war.
The globalists are scared. They've overreached. The future of the info war is in your hands. Join PrisonPlanet.tv. Download the thousands of special video reports, ebooks, and more, and get them out to everyone you know. Continue to spread the word about the broadcast on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and every other globalist propaganda platform. We are going to use their system against them. The info war now goes into high gear. No one can deny that our republic, in fact, our entire world, is at a historic crossroads right now. We work very hard here at Infowars.com to bring you the news and latest information in the fight for liberty worldwide. And because our message is resonating across the world, because we've already had such a huge effect, we know that it is our responsibility to intensify our resistance against the globalist 110%. I am going to do whatever I can to up our game in the fight against tyrants to reach even more people. I am asking you to join us and to be part of our fight and to support the work we're doing at PrisonPlanet.tv and to spread the word, not just about the weeknight 30-minute condensed, focused, hard-hitting newscast, but special reports we're going to do multiple times a week. I am so excited about this, and I hope that you share our excitement and that you will help us get the word out about PrisonPlanet.tv, InfoWars Nightly News, and InfoWars Special Reports at 7 p.m. Central every weeknight. But whatever you do, spread the message that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Free humanity is rising against tyranny.